Hey everyone, it's Afro Asia Natural Health Tips, and summer is officially here. As the weather warms up and people spend more time outdoors, it's smart to have some bee sting treatment options on hand. You know me, I'm all about simple and effective home remedies. If you're having a severe allergic reaction, call 911 immediately. For most people, bee stings are annoying and painful occurrences that can be treated without medical intervention. We're talking about those times when you get that sharp, burning pain, followed by some redness and swelling. It's uncomfortable for sure, but not life-threatening. So let's dive into those home remedies that can bring you much-needed relief. First up, we have a classic kitchen staple that's here to save the day: baking soda. This humble white powder is more versatile than you might think. This pantry hero isn't just for baking. It has amazing alkalizing properties that can help neutralize bee venom. It's a natural remedy that's been used for generations. That's right, it helps counteract the acidity of the venom, which in turn can reduce pain and itching. This makes it an excellent first aid solution for those unexpected outdoor encounters. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of water to create a paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your skin without dripping. Apply this paste directly to the affected area and you'll feel a soothing sensation as the baking soda gets to work. It's almost like a mini spa treatment for your skin. Leave the paste on for about 15 minutes, allowing it to fully penetrate the skin and work its magic. This gives the baking soda enough time to neutralize the venom. You might notice the redness and swelling start to subside during this time. It's a simple yet effective way to ease discomfort. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with cool water and pat the area dry. This helps to remove any remaining paste and soothe the skin further. You can repeat this process a few times a day, especially during the initial 24 hours after the sting. Consistency is key for the best results. Baking soda is a must-have in any home remedy arsenal. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a go-to solution for various minor ailments. So the next time a bee decides to interrupt your day, you know what to reach for. Keep some baking soda handy and enjoy your time outdoors with peace of mind. Let's face it, when a bee stings, the area can feel like it's on fire. That's where our next home remedy comes in: ice. Ice is your best friend when it comes to reducing inflammation and numbing the pain. Now, before you go grabbing ice cubes directly from the freezer, remember to wrap them in a thin cloth first. Applying ice directly to the skin can be too harsh and potentially damage the skin. Once you have your ice pack ready, gently press it onto the sting site. Hold the ice pack in place for about 15 to 20 minutes at a time. You can repeat this process every couple of hours, especially during the first day or two. Ice not only numbs the pain, but also helps constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling. So keep those ice packs handy and you'll be ready to tackle those stings with a cool and collected approach. All right, let's talk about a simple yet effective technique that often gets overlooked: elevation. When you elevate the affected area, you're essentially working with gravity to reduce swelling. This technique is particularly helpful if you've been stung on an arm or a leg. Find a comfortable position where you can prop up the affected limb. If it's your arm, you can use a pillow to rest it on. If it's your leg, try lying down and elevating it on a stack of pillows or cushions. The key here is to make sure the sting site is elevated above the level of your heart. You can combine elevation with other home remedies, like applying ice or a baking soda paste for enhanced relief. So, next time you experience a bee sting, remember to give elevation a try and let gravity lend you a helping hand. Next up, we have another kitchen superstar: apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple is known for its incredible versatility, and yes, it can even tackle bee stings. From salad dressings to skincare, apple cider vinegar has a wide range of uses. Apple cider vinegar's acidic nature helps neutralize bee venom, providing relief from pain and itching. It's a natural remedy that's been trusted for generations. Now, there are a couple of ways you can use apple cider vinegar for bee stings. It's simple and effective. You can either dab a small amount directly onto the sting site using a cotton ball, which is quick and easy, or make a soothing compress. This method is great for larger, affected areas. To create a compress, simply mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. It's an easy mixture to prepare. Soak a clean cloth or gauze in the mixture and gently apply it to the affected area. Make sure the cloth is thoroughly soaked. Leave the compress on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the apple cider vinegar to work its magic. This gives it enough time to reduce the symptoms. You'll likely notice a reduction in pain, itching and swelling as the vinegar helps neutralize the venom. It's a quick relief you can count on. Apple cider vinegar is truly a multitasking marvel that deserves a prime spot in your pantry. Its benefits go beyond just cooking. So, the next time a bee decides to interrupt your day, remember to reach for this versatile remedy. It's a small bottle with big benefits. Let's move on to a remedy that's as sweet as it is effective honey. This golden nectar isn't just a delicious treat, it also boasts incredible antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect ally in soothing bee stings. Honey has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Raw honey, in particular, is a powerhouse of healing goodness. It contains enzymes and nutrients that are lost during the pasteurization process, making it more effective for medicinal use. It forms a protective barrier over the sting site, preventing infection while reducing pain and inflammation. The natural sugars in honey also help to draw out fluids from the wound, speeding up the healing process. To use honey for bee stings, simply apply a thin layer of raw honey directly to the affected area. Make sure the honey is raw and unprocessed for the best results. You can then cover it with a loose bandage or gauze to keep it in place. This helps to keep the honey from rubbing off and allows it to work more effectively. Leave the honey on for about an hour, allowing it to work its magic. You can reapply as needed if the pain or swelling persists. Honey is truly a gift from nature, offering a sweet and soothing solution for those pesky bee stings. Its natural properties make it a versatile remedy for various skin ailments. So keep a jar of raw honey handy and you'll be ready to tackle those stings with a touch of natural sweetness. Whether you're at home or out in nature, honey is a reliable companion. Now let's talk about a remedy that's known for its incredible detoxifying properties, activated charcoal. This black powder might seem a bit unconventional, but trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to bee stings. Activated charcoal acts like a magnet, drawing out toxins and venom from the sting site. To use activated charcoal for bee stings, you'll need to create a paste. Simply mix a teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with a little bit of water or oil, coconut oil works great, until you achieve a spreadable consistency. Apply this paste directly to the sting site and cover it with a bandage or gauze. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour, allowing the activated charcoal to work its magic. Activated charcoal is a powerful detoxifier that can make a world of difference in reducing pain, swelling, and itching from bee stings. Last but not least, let's talk about a botanical extract that's been a staple in natural medicine for centuries, witch hazel. This gentle yet powerful astringent is a godsend for soothing irritated skin, including those pesky bee stings. Witch hazel contains tannins, which have natural astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. These tannins help constrict blood vessels, reduce swelling, and calm itching. You can find witch hazel in liquid form at most drugstores and health food stores. To use it for bee stings, simply soak a cotton ball in witch hazel and gently dab it onto the affected area. You can repeat this process several times a day, especially during the initial 24 hours after the sting. Witch hazel is a gentle yet effective way to soothe bee stings and promote healing. Bee stings may not be fun, but at least a natural bee sting treatment is easy and cost-effective. Remember, these home remedies are here to help you find relief and get back to enjoying your summer. And as always, prevention is key. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially when spending time outdoors. Avoid wearing bright colors or strong perfumes, as these can attract bees. For more tips like this, subscribe to our channel and like this video by Afro Asia Natural Health Tips. Stay healthy, everyone.